Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Google Translate. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is open Google Translate here or go to translate.google.com. And now when you're going to be in Translate Google, you're going to see multiple things here. So first thing first, you're going to see text or documents. So you can simply upload the document that you would get translated or text. So let's say I'm going to write here, "Hi, how are you?" And it's going to automatically detect a language, but let's say it's going to detect wrong. You can go simply on this arrow right here and find the language that you want. So let's say that I'm going to find, I'm going to click here English. Now when I'm going to click on English, I can also translate by voice, and you need to use microphone for it or listen.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, we got it. And then you can translate it to different language. So I can go to Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Or I can just buen día, buenos días, buenos días, good morning, right? You get also on the some similar words that you can use. Good morning, buenos días, mañanas. And then you can go to Arabic. You can even hear it, right?
صباح الخير.
You can choose Russian.
Доброе утро.
Dobre утро. And then you can go in Mongolian. Yep, can't hear that. German.
Guten Morgen.
Or I can go to Bulgarian.
Доброе утро.
See? You get plenty of options. You can also copy to translation. You can suggest an edit. So let's say that you're going to suggest an edit for this. So let's say you're going to see that it's not rightly translated. Then you can also share the translation. So that's another thing that you can do. And then what you can do is also switch between the languages. So you can swap languages between the Bulgarian and English. That's another thing that you can do. And that's pretty much it. Now you can also find the history, saved, contribute. And you can also, as I mentioned, upload documents. And this is pretty much it, how you can use Google Translate. Really simple, really easily. You can also search the language right here when you would click on this arrow next to the language that you're going to see here, and you can find the language that you want to translate. So let's go again. I'm going to write Google Translate in Google. Then I can find it right here, or I can simply choose Translate Google, click here, and now I have option between changing the texts between English, Bulgarian. I can detect the language, so I can go, this is in Slovak, and I can go, yep.
Ahoj, ako sa máš? Hello, how are you?
See, really simply, really easily. I can share it on email or Twitter. I can also have different keyboard. When you would find it, click here, that you can switch from. And then you can change also how many words that you're gonna see. Then you can, as I mentioned, upload the document. So document, I can click browse your computer. Here, let's say I'm going to have sales this month, translate, and it's translating right now. See? So let's say I go back. I gotta see to what language I want to translate it to. I'd want to translate it to, I don't know, let's say Spanish. I can sales this month. See? Ventas este mes. And you can also translate documents this way. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, about Google Translate and how you can simply use Google Translate, I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. Definitely write it down below in the comments if you can have any questions at all. And that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.